ठीक है इसमें. Okay.
Hi, I'm Pat from Iceberg.
Hi, I'm Kat from Outsider.
Yeah. So, as we talked before, we are interested in your magazine.
Okay.
Yeah. So we
I'm
would
glad
like
to know that.
we'd like to know what are your expectations.
I'm expecting somewhere like 7,500. I'm sorry. 750. $750,000.
$750,000
Yes.
for selling the rights of the magazine.
Yes, for selling the rights of the magazine, for selling the infrastructure of the magazine, and I'll give you the brand name of the magazine. And we are having a very elite customer list. That will be yours as well.
Okay. So, as we know that the website for Outsider doesn't work.
And I'm sorry to interrupt you. Apart from that, I need one more thing. They're having 100 pages of advertisements.
Yeah.
I'm looking for 12 pages out of that in 500 rupees, which is a cost. So you'll not lose any money in that, but I need 12 pages out of 100 pages for me for 500 rupees per page. $500. Sorry.
$500.
$500. Yes. Because my partner Helen, she is owning an art gallery, and she is giving an ad of her art gallery regularly in her magazine, and we are giving her the same price, $500 per page.
$500 per page.
Yes. So I want that adjustment to be continued with her, because she's also an important part of her magazine. She's writing uh, editorials, she's writing articles in her magazine without charging anything, and she can also continue the same with when you take over the magazine. So I think she deserves this kind of thing from you.
Okay, so she is going to pay 500
per page.
Per page. Okay. Do you know what is the cost market price of a single page?
You, why do you think that I don't know? I'm earning the magazine right now.
Yeah,
It's
so
4,500.
it's 4,500 exactly.
I know that. But that's a market price. That's not the cost. Cost is 500.
Yeah, true. But if we are selling a page to someone to put their ad in, then they have to pay that price to us, right?
I agree too, but she's a partner in the organization, and that's why we are not charging her 4,500. I agree to your point that she'll not be a part of the magazine anymore when she'll sell it, but to sell the magazine, I need her permission as well, as she's a partner, and she want that.
Okay. Okay, I understand.
So these are two of my demands. I mean, $750,000 and 10 ads, sorry, 12 ads in 500 rupees every month.
Every month. Okay, so we can't give you 700.
In fact, I'll give you an inside information. The 4,500 money which you have calculated for advertisements, right?
Okay.
That is after we are giving 12 ads to Helen. Before that, it's 4,020 rupees. So 4,500 price which you are talking about is after this adjustment. So that 4,500 will be still there. The earnings from the advertisements right now is $400,000, $402,000. That will be intact even if you give 12 ads to Helen.
Okay.
And sell the rest of the ads to other people in 4,500 per page. So I think it's a win-win deal for everyone. You don't have to sacrifice your cost. You'll still be earning the same which you're earning right now at 4,500 per page.
Yeah, but we know that your website is basically not good, and we will have to invest more than $200,000 to just
Yes.
get it up and running.
But once it will be get up and running, it will be worth more than $600,000.
It's not worth more than $600,000.
It will be. It will be. The website. I'm talking about the website. The website cost, the website net worth is going to be $600,000 once it will be built, because we are having such a huge uh, people, such huge database of customers with us, and our customers are very elite. They are having the purchasing power which every company is looking for. So I mean, you maybe are having magazine those who are having 10 times of subscribership than us, but the kind of subscribers we have, they have the power to purchase anything under the sun. So this is a very elite kind of customers. If you are giving an advertisement to them, then you can sell anything from Porsche to BMW to a jet.
Yeah, but according to our calculations, I don't think that is going to fly because, well, the way I see it, that we are going to make not much. We are just going to make nearly $300,000.
Out of the website.
Yes, after we pay costs and without
Okay,
tax.
let me ask you a question. Why do you want to purchase a magazine?
Like I don't think I have to answer that to you. I'm just saying that we cannot afford 750,000. The best I can
No,
do.
it's a simple question.
The
See,
best
if I'm
I
selling
can
my
do-
magazine to you, I need to know what is your motive behind
The
it.
motive behind it is to get rights of the magazine because we think it is a valuable asset to us. It's not paying us as much as you think it is. Okay? The lifetime value of the site is $350,000. The lifetime value I'm talking about of that site after you give us your domain name. So you might be, because you work for the magazine, you might be overestimating how much it is worth for us. It's not that much worth for us. We can use it. We can
See,
put
right
our
now,
own ads.
right now we are not negotiating about the website. We are talking about magazine here, right? Website is a byproduct of the magazine.
Yeah.
So,
So
let's
even if
focus on both the things.
Yeah, we are focusing on both the things. So I'm okay with the ads. I am with the 500, whatever you said that you wanted for $500. I'm fine with it. Obviously, it's a magazine, but we cannot pay you 750 because it's we. According to my calculations, we are not making more than 750 in total. So how we just can't pay you.
So what is your offer?
Like the best I can do is 400,000.
Okay. See, let me be very frank with you. If it's going to be 400,000, we can't have a deal with you because we are having some investors.
Okay.
They are looking for some certain amount. If that amount is not going to be there, they'll not sell it. It is as simple as that. I am very interested to selling the magazine to you because I think you people are right people to build the legacy or get the legacy forward.
Yeah.
But these I'm having some investors. I'm bound to accomplish what they are looking for. So in $400,000, the deal is not going to happen. I'm pretty sure about it.
How about 450?
Okay, so let's make it like that. From $750,000
to $450,000.
No, my offer was $750,000. I'm coming to what you are trying to say. From $750 to I'll come to $600,000. And one more thing, there will be health insurance for my employees.
Okay, and how much is that?
I'm sure your employees are having health insurance, and when you'll take over my company, my employees are going to be your employees. So I think you are not going to discriminate between your previous employees and the employees you are having now. So I think health insurance is going to be for everyone, right?
Yeah, but we are looking to cut overhead costs and employee costs.
Yes.
So we are not even sure that we can provide your employees job. We are going to cut that.
What?
We are going to we are looking to reduce employees.
Yes, I mean that is your call that you are looking for reduce head count, but
Okay.
the people, those who will be left in the organization, are going to be health insurance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm done with that. Then I think we can make a deal on $600,000 plus 12 ads on 500 and health insurance for employees.
I cannot do 600,000. I can do the $500 ad. If you want, I can remove the you can do it for say 200.
What 200?
The ad,
Okay, the ad for 200.
yeah. But I cannot pay you more than 450,000.
Okay. No, but that's if you calculate that, it's going to be $3,600 per year. The price you're offering me, that instead of 500 you will pay 200, so the difference is 300. It's going to be 3,600 per year, and it's not that much. I appreciate that you are willing to offer that, but apart from Helen, we are having other people as well as investors. And as I told you, that at this cost, the deal is not going to happen. And I literally want this deal to happen, because I'm pretty sure that you people are capable enough to build this organization, build this magazine.
See,
to
we have
a new heights.
we have a cap as well when it comes to how much we can invest. And as I said, that you are you have done all these calculations a bit more enthusiastically and more optimistically. But the more I'm telling you, like conservatively, it's not even going to cost us, like it's not going to give us a profit of 300,000. And I'm talking conservatively, like it's not going to happen.
You just told me that you are going. I mean, after all the calculations, your earning will be 7,500.
No.
Sorry, $750,000.
Yeah, and
And
minus I have to minus how much I'm paying you after that. Like that is basically.
Yes. So
Yeah.
I'm asking $600,000. So you will be having $150,000.
No, I can't. And that's lifetime. It's not.
Okay, so let's finalize it.
No, let's.
See.
Okay, I'm putting in chips. I'll make it 470,000. Okay, and I'll give the ads at 200, as I said.
Okay.
And I am willing for health insurance for your employees as well, but we can't ensure how many employees you're going to keep.
That's okay with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's come to a conclusion.
Yeah.
I don't need your 200 rupees price.
Okay.
We'll pay 500 rupees, $500. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Why I'm calling.
That's okay.
I've been to India for a long time, so we'll pay you $500
Okay.
per ad every month.
Mhm.
So we don't want that 1,200. Okay. So if I'm talking about 300 rupees, $300 per ad. So for 12 ads, it's going to be 3,600, right? For 12 pages.
Mhm.
And if you multiply it by 12, it will be more than 40,000 for an year.
Okay.
So I'll give you that 40,000, right?
Okay.
So it is going to be 36,000 plus 7,000. It's going to be 43,200, right? It's going to be 43,200.
Okay.
So I'm leaving this 43,200, and you add this 43,200 to $470,000. So let's make it $512,000, and we'll purchase the ad in $500.
No, you see, but your 500 purchasing ads is setting us back with $576,000.
$576,000.
The market price of this ad is 45.
But you have already agreed to that, no?
Yeah, I have agreed to that, but I can't agree with this calculation. I can't pay you more than 470 because it's already setting up. If you want me to agree for 500 here, I cannot make it above 400.
But you were giving me a price of 200, right? You were giving me a price of 200 just now. So if you are giving me a price of 200 per page, it's going to be cost you 43,200
I
per
was
year.
giving you that price, but I am not sure
And-
the calculation.
And one interesting thing is that this 200 is going to continue even after 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 year. So it is going to cost you $43,200 every year. I'm just
It's not
asking.
going to cost us $43,200. It's the market price of this ad is how much is the market price of the ad? How much is the market
Listen,
price?
listen,
You
listen.
listen to me first. We have been talking for a very long time.
I
You
have
tell
already
me
told you the market price is
4,500.
4,500.
Remove
But-
500 in
but-
that. Remove 500 in that. Take your 4,000 market price, and you know what? You don't
See.
You take your
from
you take
zero
4,000.
we came to 1, and then I'm going to 2, and you are asking me to go to 0 again. We have already came to 1, so let's stick to 1.
I am going to continue
Okay,
500.
listen,
See,
listen,
it's setting
listen.
us back. Maybe, okay, I was wrong in my calculation. It is setting us back. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. If you want, we can move forward. I'm telling you, I can. The most I can do is 470,000.
Listen. I'll conclude what you have offered me. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So you have offered me $470,000
yeah,
plus health insurance for all the employees,
yeah,
whosoever will remain,
yeah.
plus an ad in 200 rupees per page.
No,
You just offered it to me.
I reverted. When I offered you 200, I said 450,000. So it's not working out. It's going to be 500. It has to cost us. It's giving us loss.
You have just offered it to me.
Yeah, but I can go back, right? We didn't finalize it. It's a negotiation. We are still in process.
Then
What's wrong with you?
Then no. So you have made an offer,
Yeah.
and okay, let's say I'm accepting it.
Okay.
Then you'll say that no, I'm going back.
Yeah, but we haven't agreed on it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this is your offer. I accept it.
Okay.
Deal.
Deal.
बंद करो. मतलब मैं तुझे बेटर डील दे रहा था वैसे. 1 साल का 2 और खत्म करो.